So what's the best way to get waves? About to tell y'all that right now. You see, one thing I realized after the last time that I scalped is that one method that we really sleep on heavy, and I mean heavy, is shower brushing. Shower brushing is probably one of the most slept on methods in the wave game. I'm just go out on the limb and say it right now. So the last time I scalped in late August, I wasn't doing any brush sessions, nothing like that. I was just enjoying not having to deal with waves. Every day when I showered, I would, just out of habit, routinely wash my hair. So I'm washing my hair every day. And as a part of my washing, I would be brushing. Just as a part of the wash. It was no long extended brush sessions, nothing like that. And then the last couple days of September, I decided, all right, I'm gonna do this 30 for 30 days of brush and all that. And then I get a cut. And what do you know? Ripples everywhere. And it got me thinking, like, that's it. The shower brushing method is the best way to get waves. If you're new to waves and you want to get waves, I would say shower brushing is the best method. So remember, I always tell y'all that you need to have your hair manageable so that it could be in the best position to get waves. And in order for it to be manageable, it gotta be moisturized, which makes it softer and it's easier to deal with. You get all of that when you're in the shower. Your hair's wet and you're just going in, you're just brushing. With your shampoo, which kind of holds it a little bit, you know, and you're just brushing. And so that is literally what got me this far in that time. I only started really brushing as of October 1st. I have pictures I could show. And no do-rags, nothing like that. So I'm just here to tell y'all, man, I'm not gonna make this a long video. It's gonna be a real short video. But if you're not shower brushing right now, you should be doing that, especially when you're starting out. If you're starting out, you're trying to build your pattern, you got nothing to lose. You got no wolfing progress that you're trying to preserve and all that. You don't have angles that you're trying to perfect, and so you don't want to create more forks or anything like that. I think shower brushing will get you where you want to be real fast. It gets you in the game real quick. So that's it, man. That's the big secret. All right, try the shower brushing method. I guarantee you're gonna like how you look. All right, man, all jokes aside, it's your boy Tech. I hope that helps, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.